Evening. There comes a time, there are those moments in our lives where you look back and you are in awe, uyamangala mawubheka emuva. Khona the song ethi saphuma lapho kuthiwa ongene khona kaphumi sangena lapho kuthiwa akungenwa. We all have those moments, we all have those times where we've had experiences in our lives and we wonder how we survived or we pulled through those experiences. For the past, I think, couple of weeks, I've been led into deep reflection on the ascension of the soul. I'm still in that reflecting or reflective mode. I'm still in that being taught, getting revelations on what it is, and obviously this is me being taught by spirit. This is me being taught by divinity. This is me being taught by my guides. And it does not mean that it's the gospel truth, but izambulo that I've been getting. And because mhlawumbe also nami needing to, or yearning to understand journey impilo, what really is this thing called life. It is often said that we are spirit having a human experience, and in this form of a human being, we have a desire to understand izinto. And so I'm just unpacking, I'm just reflecting out loud and reflecting with you, and hoping that you will also share or comment or even send my DMs, what you think about what I have termed as the ascension of the soul. I think ultimately I've come to believe that we are here to ensure that our souls ascend to a certain level. We are here to make sure that we ascend to that level of a higher self, to that level of divinity, to that level that is above the obvious, that is above the here, the now. We are here to ascend beyond the pain that we experience. We are here to ascend beyond the challenges. We are here to ascend beyond a human expectation. We are here to ascend beyond struggles and strife. We are here to ascend so that we can have life and have it in fullness. As one of the scriptures says, Izwi is part of, I believe, in the word. And Ibhayibheli yona specifically would say that, we are here to have life and have it in full. And so we come across a lot and many things happen in our lives that sometimes make us doubt impilo, that make us doubt ourselves. And it happens so that we can master ourselves, so that we can ascend. It happens so that we can truly understand and get to that level yokuthi we are bigger than the things that happen to us, that we are more than our experiences, that we are more than our past, that we are more than our challenges, our problems, that we are more than material, that we are more than anything that the world has and that the world exalts, that we are here, but we are not of this realm, we are not of this earth and this world. We are more. It's for it, we as our souls go through a lot of experiences so that they can ascend. And yeah, it's not a reflection I will do in one video. I will do another video, just trying to unpack what I mean ngokuthi we are in a journey, a journey of stewarding a soul ascension, and really being those people that move beyond the obvious in our mindset, in our hearts, in our thinking, in how we function, in how we move, in how we perceive and view things. So yeah, I will do a part 2 of this.